Let's make my 10-minute pasta with tuna and tomato and capers. This is such a great meal for one. We'll start out with 2 cloves of garlic, roughly chopped. All of the measurements in this recipe are very approximate, so don't get too caught up in being exact about it. That's kind of the beauty of this recipe. Add about 3 tablespoons of olive oil to a small pan and throw your garlic in there. You're going to cook it on low heat. Salt the water as though you were making it salty, like the ocean. All of the ingredients in this dish are really simple but so flavorful, and they come together in such a beautiful way. The garlic should just be simmering away on low heat. You don't want it to brown. We'll add 2 teaspoons of capers, and then we'll add 1 small tin of tuna packed in olive oil. Tuna packed in olive oil has such a rich, deep flavor and a really nice texture as well. It's very meaty, so it just contributes such a beautiful flavor to this really simple dish. We'll add 1.5 tablespoons of Italian tomato paste, which is actually much more savory than a North American tomato paste, which tends to be more on the sweet side, and this is because a different variety of tomato is used. Then we'll add 1 serving of pasta to the boiling water. Mine takes 5 minutes to cook. Keep in mind how many minutes yours will take. Keep an eye on it. Meanwhile, the sauce is simmering away on low, and it should just smell incredible by this point. All of the flavors are melting beautifully together. It's a bit tangy and a bit meaty. Then we'll transfer the pasta into the sauce. Don't be afraid of a little pasta water. It's actually kind of the secret to great pasta. We'll actually add a little bit of pasta water in, just a couple tablespoons to loosen everything up, and toss it all together really well. You want all of the pasta to be evenly coated in this beautiful, rich sauce. Then plate it. You can use any kind of pasta for this. You can use a gluten-free pasta or a spelt pasta. I'm using a traditional wheat linguine, but that part is really up to your own personal preference. There's no wrong way to do it. I like to add dried oregano and black pepper because I add those things to everything and they add so much beautiful flavor.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy this pasta dish. I hope you get a chance to make it. And if you do, please leave a comment in the comment box below because I would love to know what you think of it.